Today we're going to get ready for springtime, and we're going to learn how to disassemble, clean and sharpen this specific Fiskars L74 branch cutter. I will just start loosening the bolts. So now we have disassembled this, and this is the part which is not supposed to be sharp at all. It's supposed to be dull, but it needs definitely needs some cleaning. As you can see, got some old grease there as well. And then this part is the actual blade, which we are going to sharpen. First things first, I'm gonna take these inside and I'm gonna clean them with soap and hot water. And there we go. Clean and as good as new. Almost. We've had these branch cutters for about 2 seasons and they have worked wonders. Can highly recommend Fiskars from Finland. So now we're gonna go straight to the sharpening, and as you can see, there's a duller side, there's a sharp side, and the trick is you want to sharpen this area where the actual blade part is. So my plan is to use I have a small, cheap whetstone, which is just a sharpening stone, and we're gonna sharpen this side with this at the correct angle. I'm just gonna eyeball it. I don't even, I'm just gonna eyeball the angle. I'm gonna look down the blade, and I'm gonna put it at an angle, and I'm gonna sharpen it, and then I'm going to straighten it out on the straight side, just to take away any imperfections. So, let's go. You can definitely feel the burrs or the metal sticking out here on the straight side of the edge. This is not pretty, by the way. This is not supposed to be pretty. It's just supposed to do the trick, and it's supposed to be fast. So I'm just gonna carry on and try to do it as best as I can. Technique of going back and forwards with your whetstone. It's not really recommended. It's going to shorten the lifespan of your blades. But my logic is, if it lasts 5 years shorter of its 20-year lifespan, it's totally fine. So that edge looks... it's fine. It's totally fine. Remember, this is supposed to be a garden tool. It's gonna get dirt, and it's gonna get, you know, stones and rocks and what have you. And then I'm just gonna take it, I'm gonna take away the burrs by taking the whetstone and just dragging it. So, obviously it's going to ruin your finish. That's completely fine. Small piece of string here. Can test it out. Like that. Sharp enough for me. And then we're just gonna assemble it back together. So we're gonna take this part with the metal up, put this one in, and then that part that way. So it's gonna work. Like so. A little bit sloppy. We have to tighten these nuts enough, but obviously not too much, because then the branch cutters are not going to work as intended. So we got some resistance. Good as new. And for good measure, I'm just gonna spray them down with some WD-40 just to keep them protected. And these will last plenty of more seasons. And just wipe it down, the excess WD-40. Maybe I actually kind of spread on a little bit too much, you know. The more, the merrier. That's it. As good as new and sharp. Thank you for watching.